Nice time for do it.
Yes, my people.
Nice morning.
Continue the video. Continue the video, people. Still on the vlog. Yeah, man. Nature walk. Showing the beauty of Jamaica, Manchester. Yeah, man. I watch it have to offer. So, nice breeze a blow. Yeah, man. You're not going to hear it at the mic because we can't type of mic we use. So, we're going to show you. Yeah, man. So, come in, Brian, me quick. Show the people them what go on, you know.
Yeah, man.
Nice. Now I got nice cow here. Now I got too close to him, brother, because sometimes they rush, you know. Alright. Good morning. Good morning. You my blower. Nah, I got close to him, man. Yes, babes, see there. Yeah, man. So all of who used to grew up and I fi carry cow, walk out the cow a morning time and move cow. Them things they still are going, but you know, so big up to the people them, hard working people them, same way. So we are showing now. Yeah, man, see there. Star apple tree out there, so. Pear tree, some call it avocado in a different place. Banana tree still there. Yeah, man, see there.
Banana can.
See the garlic in there.
Banana.
Yeah, man, him pick ticks off a cow, you know. That's a film job. See him never white and pretty. Yeah, man, you know the good old coconut there. Jelly. Let me say, Brian, wash off your heart.
Yeah.
Alright.
Nice for your rice and peas.
I will tell you. I will tell you.
You tell me.
Yeah, man.
Experience, man.
Eh?
Yeah.
No, nobody bad word, nobody bad word. My job what me do, me no worry about that sitting there, brother. No? Me no worry about that, my brother. Alright, so sit there. Generally, remember no bad word, you know, the video depend on the whole world I see, you know. Yeah, man, the money a long time. Me show them money. Yeah, Brian go beside when can hear make him talk. I wanna disclose the place over there.
No, sir, this is the donkey we use and carry the farm, the food them from the farm, you know.
Yeah.
Walk on the road out, sir. That's how we plant the Irish potato and, you know, so beer.
Yeah, man, for real.
Them things we are dealing with. My brother up at greenhouse up there, so I go and champer.
Yeah. So you know them man from school days, you know. Yeah, man, we say bad word. Yeah, man, this man. Remember that, yeah, man, say anyway cross the road where the Jamaican who knows go to Somerset school. The man are still there. I work hard same way. Yeah, man, so you don't know, so them man have to get respect. So people, we in the woods and we are walk and we are meet some people and we are talk with them same time. We depend on the back road, you know, but we don't want to give you a location. Because we don't want to go on the place, don't go eat that thing. Anyway, people, we say, yeah, man, them man are still there. I come look for them cow and them donkey every morning and thing. Show you what I go on, people. See, good old donkey there. Blessed animal. I not say every animal is blessed, but see that one, yeah? Them say the most blessed animal in the world, donkey. And him call Jesus. Pan him back, you know. That's why the mule and the pitney, you know. People, me tell you something. You know why, you know, say, well, you know, say, it's a donkey and a horse have to make mule. You have one you call, you have horse, you have mule, and you have donkey.
Yeah, you have pony.
You have pony?
Yeah.
How the pony come?
How the pony come?
Yeah.
When you put out the donkey, when you put out the horse to the donkey, you get pony.
Oh.
When you put out the donkey to the horse, you get mule.
Yeah, man. Mule.
Yeah. But
yeah.
The little short one with the heap of hair, what they call pony.
Yeah.
And the horse then put out to the donkey.
Okay.
And get that the pony.
Me never know.
So when you go to zoo and see them have some pretty,
yeah.
Some pretty flourish one, then they name pony.
Yeah. So Bubbles, how long now you in the woods?
In the woods, yeah.
Yeah.
This year we come now make 50 years. You know?
Alright, sir. You see it, people? I saw we run the place where we live, you know. We tell us nothing wrong for left your place go live somewhere, you know. But most house stay in our place and just build with place. Alright, we see me stand up people. House used to the right as I'm sure now. House used to the right as a people. See there? House used to the right as a people. Right as a. Me I come on them area for me, I look a boy. You know, some people who dead and gone from them area, me now call them name, rest in peace.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, rest in peace, man. And anybody with a father in America, different country, different part of Jamaica. Yeah, who come from them place, yeah. We in your place. We don't want to call the name, because I don't want, you know, for real. So, we in on the place, people.
Veteran, bossy.
Teacher him come champion, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I move the coke already and so yeah.
Yeah, man, so we are showing what go on, peeps.
We are some man.
General there, you know, water boat and thing. Yeah, man, showing what go on. So, what was, you know, so we are growing the way to go.
We are around
Yeah.
well, man, come brother, they for top up.
Treasure?
Treasure them out there, man.
Oh, yeah, sir, man. Then come in, you can go there, man. You can go there, man, go show what go on, people. Oh. Alright, see there. Yeah, man, a community. This used to be a community, you know, people. But I feel like you don't see it, so, you know. But I one thing. And it ever cool, nice, everything, you know. So, blessing to everybody, man. One love, people. Farming at the heart of the day. From where I grow. Sweet potato. The good old cocoa there. Where I say, man. Alright, to my friend them over Kenya. Over Kenya, see there. See corn there. Yeah, man, we have corn too at Jamaica. Yeah, we might not plant it, nah lie. Me tell you what truth. Right now, to me, Kenya plant the most corn. Maybe in the world right now. Kenya. People, Kenya. If you don't watch the Kenyan video them, we don't talk about the African movie. The YouTube Kenyan video them where they make corn for days. Me not lie you. Whole heap of corn. Brian, what you have to say?
Yeah, man. Corn. I put corn in almost, let's say, good for all the soup.
Corn. Hey, Brian, you ever eat corn dumpling yet?
I never eat that one.
What you say, man? People, anybody who on the channel there, who know how to make corn dumpling, just give me a comment. Yeah, man. Let me know what you say. Yes, me can make it or me eat it already. Brian.
Yeah.
We are Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
And we love flour dumpling. But me tell this, I say, flour dumpling is what I call it now. Corn dumpling, I blast the flour dumpling.
Corn dumpling.
I mean to say a pure corn necky. You might put one little drop of flour just to bind it up. You understand me? I say, you might, me not sure. Right now, me have a lady right now, when me tell her, I say, you see me a little boy? I should go to your house. Alright, people, I'm showing the yam ground again.
Yeah,
man, see there. No joke, people. Farming, man, them say. No joke. Big up to the farmer, them. Big up to the eagle, them. Big up to every hard-working people. Yeah, man. So it's a show now. We go on the nature walk, yeah. And we exercise same way. Yeah, man, and see there. Good old pumpkin.
Stick them up.
Good old pumpkin there, same way. Yeah, man, and Brian there with me same way, and we are walking and explore and showing what I go on. Farm them there with them greenhouse. Same
Nice
way.
green. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
See that?
And I tell the people them who come from them place, yeah, they have a vision that them ever build tank of them yard. I would have treasure. Yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna show you the general upon them farm. Show you what I go on. All on there. You walk to a better place. You know,
What is it?
yeah, come over, man. Yeah, man, them man help grow me to you know as a little youth, you know. Me a look at grow, you know. Them man are elder in a place. Yeah, man. Them man are elder. And them man ever show me respect as a little youth and me ever show them respect too. So that we are trying to tell the youth them say respect the elders them. And the elders them for respect the little youth them too. So no one-way street. It's a two-way street. Yeah, man, see there. Yeah, man. You know say a treasure.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah, man,
Original sensi. Yeah, man. Original sensi, man. I tell the people, see there. So people across the world, we subscribe to them.
Yes.
Yeah, man, a farming. That's all, sweet pepper.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so you see it, peeps. Sweet pepper, I'm telling you, say farming. Yeah, you know.
And jeep was run. You see it?
Yes, man, and jeep was to people. I'm showing you what I go on. No joke. And look here, and no running water there, saying.
Alright.
A tank there. We call it tank or tank.
Yes.
What you want to call it well, whatever you want to call it. I hit there upon them place here.
Yeah, man.
So we are trying to show you, say, the elders, now for the elders who gone already, they make some preparation left back here.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
For real, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, so see them, man. I show you the farm, man.
man.
You know, and we are showing the beauty. You see over there? green, lush green, nice, fresh air. No chemical we not inhale when I say no. Fresh and nice. No pollution around them place here, people. And see there? Good old banana tree.
Oh, you forget the cane, my boss.
Yeah, we have to show everything, Brian. We have to show everything. Yeah, man, big up to Brian, man. I'm here and Brian are walking. I'm nearby in a sense. Yo, them man are elder me J. So you just come in here.
Yeah, man, bossy.
Elder them man here.
Yeah, man, respect. Yeah, do it.
And them man, this youth
Yeah,
and youth.
Early morning at the best time, you know.
Great old banana. Green banana.
I want that over there, so Kevin.
Huh?
Oh, it's over there, so.
Chocho?
Yeah, chocho.
Yeah, man, the great old chocho, man. See the man. The great old chocho,
I too, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, I the chocho, I too.
No, chocho not hide, you know.
Yeah.
Chocho is a thing like this in a brain. Is it chocho? Watch your step in a brain.
Yeah, man.
Is it chocho? Yeah, man. See, great old plant here. So, you know, say planting porridge.
Yes, man.
Planting porridge, you can fry your planting. And then something there. Yeah, man. See it here. Planting tree.
Yeah, man. Chocho, nice for the thing, there, man.
Banana.
Many, man.
You know, yeah, banana pudding.
Hey, you know, say me love it, me enjoy chocho enough for me.
I know me enjoy. You know, much time I come here, come pick chocho. You don't even know that.
My mother usually cook it, you know, man. With
yeah,
fish, you know, man. Oh, Jesus.
All right, people, see there? See a plant here. I'll show you the good old plant again. See one here. So what don't know you call a different country, but this is the plant.
Oh, see, you have
planting, people. So you know where you go. You know you have planting porridge.
Yeah.
Fry planting.
Oh, God.
Planting dumpling.
Yeah.
Planting everything. Right now we see people that stew all fish and them, something they are enough good thing. You know, you can make it a smoothie.
Yeah, more tree at the planting too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. See the people.
So when them ripe
so we depend on walking and we end up on a farm same way because we are showing you how to go on people.
Hey, me and family, we love planting, you know, man.
Good old Kenya.
Love planting, love
Jamaica
Kenya.
people.
Oh yeah, say man, love banana.
See good old Kenya.
Love yam.
Almost every yard of Jamaica you go, you have cane.
For my great grandmother. Oh Jesus.
Yeah, man.
She always
she
always
yeah, man. Brian, it's time out to come.
Always about her, yeah, man.
Walk with me. Yeah?
Huh?
All right, we're going to show you how to go and find some pumpkin. Yeah, man. And see the Rasta man them food, yeah? Isla low. See it there, people?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the good old Isla low there, man. The good old Isla low is here. Yo, this is a good feat, you know.
I'm here to tell.
Oh? I'll show you how to go on, people. Show you how to go on, people. I'm going to talk about organic. Natural, yeah? Peeps.
Go look better.
Could the people?
Love a vegetable now.
Natural, organic. You know?
Bossy.
So we are showing you how to go on, people. No joke.
Yeah.
One thing.
Yeah, man. See color low. Cabbage.
Look at the step here, Brian.
Yeah, man.
I have things in here. We're showing you how to go and see the people. Plant on inside.
About the pumpkin.
See pumpkin right so. Nice pumpkin.
Like about a good 15 pounds.
Yeah, man, how you say, man? Show you how to go on, people.
Hey.
I walk and I show you how to go on, people. I do it for
you see when you put this nice soup.
Okay.
You see when you put that nice soup.
You know
Jesus, peace. I turn it up, you know.
See there.
See, Joe, we run to the Japan.
Yeah, come show you. See there. Tank
Yeah,
full of water.
Yeah, man.
People,
Hey, somebody.
me tell you, sir.
Hey, you see the
Want to see it, you know,
see
people.
country life.
Yo.
You see a dark looking way, you see there, so.
Some of them
A
things
water that.
they in a certain place.
I don't feel like say we not drink it. We drink it too.
we have
grew up
plantain,
on.
banana,
This is the better water
yam,
to drink, people.
potato,
Rain water this. And
pumpkin,
See tank, yeah. See tank the people. I run
They say
jeep,
plant right up
jeepos.
now.
The pan jeepos.
Oh,
Right, sit there.
oh, see.
Brad bean.
And
Good
enough
old
of them
Brad
have,
bean, well.
Enough of them you have.
Yeah, man. Good old Brad bean,
Sorry, me
people.
never
Sit
have
there. It's a green one.
You're there so still, so we know.
And this is the dry one. Brian, open them something here. Show people them where I go. Don't worry about where I crawl upon you, man. A simple thing that. And them thing I will grow up on, brother. We know. Hey, since you at Bado at me quiet about ticks. Me say Bado you tell about ticks. And me at about ticks. All right, people, see there. All right, go on. We are gonna show how I go on for the man farm. Cause we are doing it, you know. For
Yeah,
the people,
man.
them, you know. Yeah, man. So young people, anybody can do some farming too, man. And if you don't plant food, the nation, the world will get hungry. And we don't want that.
Yo, the good old line nut with them I talk about, my brother.
Alright, so all of who know we are say we call it isle nut.
Yeah.
Me don't want to call a different country castor oil make. See there? See the good old isle nut tree there?
You see me, Ademi?
Yeah man.
Yeah.
A world market in the pan right now, you know.
You call it uncle?
Isle nut.
I'll not.
Castor oil, you ever castor oil?
Yeah, me hear about it, man.
Eh?
Yeah, man, me
And this
about
make castor oil?
This manufacturer castor oil.
But me if your heart not clean, do it now come when you make it.
Yeah.
Yeah? You know how you try to make it and your heart not clean, you never get it.
Yeah, man.
That's what me hear straight up.
Yeah, man, this manufacturer.
Allow me to tell you, Sensei. Good the people. Beautiful, beautiful.
I say castor
Like up
oil.
the video, them people. Comment, share and subscribe.
Island plant, they throw this gone up the side now.
Yeah.
And yam the through them bush there, but you know, say through them place, they want clean out and sit and see.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
You see me, I deal with
For real,
you know,
man.
that's how things set up, you know.
Water catchment again,
You
people.
see it? You know, this is a section of Jeep was one.
Yeah, man, see the
Yeah.
You
jeep.
see it?
Yeah.
Jeep.
So me organize everything.
I'm a good jeep up in here.
Yeah, me see it, man.
Jeep. I'm a good jeep up in here. I jeep the man, yeah. I jeep the man, them say, man.
So,
See
the
there?
run.
Plant the
when
palm
you turn on
tree.
the pipe,
Mm-hmm.
the water just take time drip.
And it do it for do.
Yeah.
So imagine rainfall.
Yeah, man,
plus
so
this.
people,
Yes, then, all right. When the time now,
we are walk and talk.
turn on this.
Hey, peeps.
So
Hold on, you know.
No, me not fit to
Want to see what I want,
Oh, you get
people.
it refill.
No, me have
Wanna see what I
me
want.
pump with me.
All right.
Use and pump, you know.
Look how the banana tree them a move, people. Look how them a move.
Tank.
I type of breeze them me a feel.
Me have two pump. Me have one.
In a the-
electric pump
in a
and
the-
one engine pump.
Forest or you want to call
Oh,
it
yeah,
bush.
the-
Anything you want to call it, but a natural
Of course.
nature.
It have to preserve.
What you gonna do?
So the money have
Me
to
no
spend.
time to come back home. Just water, walk up and down with your train a job. Me can't manage them time. Me like that.
Alright, so
You
you
have
know.
to go up in a age, you have to get smarter, man. Yes.
Everything work out.
Yeah.
You see me, David?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, see there.
So I just say things set up.
Yes,
Yeah, man.
uncle.
I great sense of that there.
Love,
Brian, what are
me
you?
love pumpkin, you know, my boss. Me love cane, and me love the plant them, you know, man.
So you want to
Yeah, I say, man.
if you want to get things over, that's what I'm saying.
How we I say, uncle, me I tell you, say, hey.
So me turn on the water now.
See, yeah, you know, when we first come in, you joking, uncle, I see the different line, them,
Yeah.
I swear thing.
Yeah, man, you see the water turn on?
Swear thing, a pipe, me I say a pipeline, you know.
And look how the water drip out. Ernest, now.
Uncle, you're good, man.
Yeah, man, so show you.
Love it.
Set.
Love all the things, man.
Greenhouse.
You see water drip?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah,
See water drip every root them?
yeah.
Yeah, I say water drip every root, you know.
Yeah,
You see it?
Yeah.
Once you turn on the pipe, you know,
Yeah.
water drip every root, you know. How we start Egypt, them plant the sucker.
See there, for sure.
You know, David?
For sure.
Yeah? You see him?
For sure.
Real man. Hey, Sensei.
Yeah.
Them Uya when them cut. Dark night or moonshine.
Dark night, they cut them, you know.
Alright, Brian, you hear me I tell you.
Yeah, that night.
Okay. We don't cut with a dark night man. It's stay man.
Yeah, man, rub nothing on, you know.
Alright.
You don't see no rum powder, no night tree with it, no wood with it.
Alright, sir. You see me that tell you early on?
Yeah, that night.
Yeah man, when you want to cut wood, fuse to make anything at all.
I really think him
Dark night, if you do it at moonshine,
him just did a read.
you
Reason
know
about
go.
it for sure.
So I say it work, you know.
Come in and I touch up the thing and I say thing that you know, you have to come in and touch up the thing and make the thing look nice, you know?
Yeah man.
Yeah.
Boy, Kevin,
Yeah.
a good look, man.
A good look man.
Good work.
Yeah me man. And listen, I Brian, this hour. What Brian? That hour.
Are you see?
Good, sir.
Yeah, what is that? Cucumber. Cucumber that in a Brian.
Cucumber leaf, sir.
Yeah man.
You must have realized.
Sensei, we are going away and come back here.
I'm not pep.
Oh, you go out? Alright, yeah man, do you want for me quick? Look at and go out the road and
Oh, sir. Tomato, I took me.
yeah man.
A tomato and pepper, man.
Yeah, tomato that I want to burn. On the tomato. Yes, peeps, that's a tomato tree. Tomato.
My boss.
I know, I know name Paul Mosa.
Oh, yes, sir. Boss, oh, yeah.
Alright, so we look some cane.
Yeah, man, they say name again.
Mikey, man, the last one, man.
Mikey. Me pass you.
Yeah, man, I agree.
I go to pass, man. Me a butcher, me a everything, man.
Yeah, man, the money everything, man.
No, me see your face already up on the front.
Yeah, man.
And when the Jason carry 3 goats come give me, say me for murder. Quick and fast. And my license me a work on right now to get it put in my pocket.
Yo, so they could plant that field, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So you know, Brian, you where go do? Make them stay where I could just say, but because I go video me.
Yeah, yeah, man. Yes, uncle.
I think the man usually take care of me. I think
Oh, yeah, say, man. We don't always live good, man. When we look at youth, you know. People, we and them man live good, you know, peeps. Live good enough, and we are for me a look at youth, you know. But them man are a big man for me, you know. You understand? And we live good for we a look at youth. So I try to tell people them say, do good, man, and good follow you, man, and we could just live good, man, and we can, you know.
Yeah.
You see me I say?
I want to teach, you know. I want to teach
it.
Teach, you know.
I'm just showing
I want to
how
set it, you know.
our place look and how it run, and people live with people and people there. Come in, Brian. Oh.
Yo, one day, one man running. I'm Mr. Full and wife with
Yeah.
Yo, you know, for them, you know, they rate me. Yo, and they tell me, what's full of a big ganja, you know? Yo, everybody man see me pick me up, man. You know what I'm saying?
For real.
And when you come out, we pick string piece game. Yo,
Hey, I talk about string peas, you see?
yeah.
Peeps, I want to know, say, string peas. When you do any stew.
Love
Yeah, come on,
plant.
front here.
Oh, yeah, say, man.
I mean, when you farming in front here, come on, you know. I miss you know.
For real. For real, for real, for real.
No, I know why I run farming when I'm man.
For real, man. You mean, man?
So when you come back, you just like back and get that to me, yeah?
Yes, man. Me do that, man. Because you know them style. Come in, Brian.
Yeah,
You
man.
know them style, you know.
Oh, I say,
Yeah.
I love the cane, man.
Yeah,
I
man.
love cane,
Come
I
in.
love planting, you know, man. Yeah, I say,
I'm happy. I put for me head.
good. So, boss, I just the cane in there. I have,
Can I look on the top of the thing, brother?
All right, people. So we are walk.
Peace, uncle.
Yeah, man, the great old Sensi. Them man not afraid of the bush no
Yeah,
time
uncle.
at all. Just
Gotta
like
get more
myself here.
cane.
Me not afraid of the bush. Cause
Gotta
look
ask
here,
him.
at them place how we grew up and, you know, ticks anything at all, we not respond to that. When we go home, we deal with that. We have remedy for that, then when we go home, we yard. Yeah, man. So big up to the farmer, them all about, all across the world. And see the people. Them man say banana for days, planting for days. Hey, you see that banana people, me show you the banana. A black banana you call it?
Yeah.
But me ever call it red banana still, you know. Because she come out looking red. One man a nice banana to the
That's
peeps.
17,
Ever
that
when
April,
you come and you come, you are red looking for the man. Nice, you know.
He red post them yellow.
Ah, but you know, say, the banana blue not grow any anyway.
When they say, how much amount you say? Say, roll on the ear star.
Yes, the peeps, so we are continue walking the area, showing how the place look. Yeah, man, you come and we can take a walk and man.
And the road get abandoned.
Sensi, left that if you want next time. If you want next time. We're going to deal with that on a different level. We're not deep on a politics level, but you have to go show what I go on and talk about it. So people, we are showing what I go on. On the nature walk, book up on the farm.
So you sell them?
Yeah, man, we grow with them money.
No, man.
Grow with
me
them
talk
money,
about
you know, people.
The
So.
things that I farm, like the yam and the cane and so.
Everything sell, man.
Oh, okay.
Everything come out of the hills and more time, man.
Okay.
What go on?
Me from the out of the hills.
Yeah.
Show no what go on.
I want to sell like that right now. Put on a younger one now.
Brian, watch the dirt part where you walk, pad, you know.
Yeah, man.
No, man, you have to watch how me walk.
Oh.
You see, as me walk, I walk on the path, I can't slide in.
Hey, me nah lie still, you know. Them place, yeah. When it come to the yo, when it's cool and nice, you know, brother. Yo.
Yeah, man. I mean, I enjoy the breeze right now, man.
Water warm, you know, man.
Cool Manchester, you know, man. Yeah, sir.
Yeah, man. A man tell me say, tank water cold. Me say, brother, you don't know about water, brother.
No, man, you know, tank water cold. No, tank water cold, but when you tank set. Yeah, when you tank a man concrete.
Yeah.
But when you have one concrete, you warm.
Lord God, I wanted the house, I be looking at so.
Ashaban, for the bill of house, Ashaban.
Eh?
Yes,
So-
man.
So, the man who move around, so.
Yeah, man. My come for him, man.
So nice, wood. Lord God,
So, I want to live, tete. Okay.
You know what I want to buck up on?
Yeah.
You know I'm long for buck up on from Manchester.
Yeah.
Rose apple.
Yes. Jesus
Rose
kingdom, man. Hey, brother.
Hey, you
You
so me
can't
usually go
wait, man.
school. Me usually go school.
Sensi.
Yes.
I'm here, you know. Every
Me
time
say,
we
brother,
usually do.
me want to see Rose
Physical
apple
education
tree.
and run, go round, you know, man. Buck up on it, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, say, man.
Nah, man, me have to come back when I want
You know,
it.
bossy.
Once
We
morning, man.
usually do physical education, you know, man. And we have run, go round the road, you know, man. Buck up on them, you know, man.
Nice one.
Yeah, say.
I know something
Love
love
it,
it,
man.
Maybe no, me can't eat it. When you look boy, I never eat it, you know.
Rose
It's
apple
too damn fresh, man.
and kneesberry.
And you know, say
You know, uncle.
Eh?
Me not see no kneesberry yet, you know.
Eh?
when you well sweet, when you well right.
Yeah. Maybe I'm pick you wrong one then, brother.
Me hardly see it. Me hardly see it in the market, man. You when the apple time you see apple, but me nah see the rose apple more and so.
No, that's the rose apple. The rose apple easy to spoil.
Oh.
Easy to spoil. One fly shit for one rose apple. The whole of them take my game.
Rose apple, man. Yeah, so man. I realize
Yes,
the
my
apple tree,
people.
the apple
Remember
tree
to like up
enough,
the
you know.
video, them, comment,
So about when
share
you
and
here, bossy?
subscribe, please. You know, watch the video, them. Watch the video,
2
them.
months for now.
I'm blessed up to all of
And
my
for some,
subscribers,
alright.
them.
Cause
All
me
the
realize
new
say,
one, them also.
when me a pass
Yeah, man,
the
so
ear
it's a show,
around,
no?
so, you know, and thing and I
What
come
go
on,
on?
and me realize say, apple dep on the tree. When time none of them run at this side. So
Farmer.
that simple means say 2 months
Yeah, man,
from
I'm
now,
guess Brian.
you supposed to can get
They want to
apple.
walk in the nature,
And we
feel
supposed
the
to
nature.
can get
So we
jackfruit.
just say we are going to do it and see where.
Right now?
Eh?
I lie you tell.
And what are you tell?
Yeah, I forgot. Hey, I
All
love
right, people,
jackfruit,
so
you
we
know,
are head
man.
on.
I love fruits, you know.
Go to the community now, we head, you know. But still beautiful, same way people. Watch the video.
Oh,
Watch
see.
the video them. Yeah man, big
Respect
up to
enough
everybody
time,
man.
man.
Everybody will watch the video them. Big up
Yeah,
to everybody
man.
will subscribe. Big up to every farmer. Big up to
Yeah,
every
one thing with
hardworking
me
people.
now, man.
Big up to the people who love God,
Yeah.
who trust God. And make God be their Lord and
Respect you
Savior.
every time, you know.
Yeah man, so
This one is not, you know.
with us sir.
People would have run in the fan, come buy a salary, man.
So right now people,
Yeah.
we are going to do that video one different time about the area. We are going to come back and do it. Sensi.
Yeah.
We are going to link up on it, you know.
Yeah, man.
And we are coming one day. We are going to do the whole the community here.
Yeah, man.
Because the community have to go back on a map, you know.
Bossy, I realize that this is the wood, it's the wood I'm running so.
Yeah.
Fresh and nice, you know.
Everything on a fresh and nice, man. No pollution around here, brother.
Fresh and
People,
nice.
no pollution. Look,
Just when time man I build up all them house and
Look,
build
peep.
up all them shed and whatever.
look, peeps.
I
See
could
there?
even look a shop and thing.
See there? No pollution, people.
Yeah.
Tree just a glow. A glow. Everything nice.
I want the apple tree.
Everything nice. Apple tree like crazy. Jamaican
So
apple.
me,
Apple tree like crazy.
so what me there?
Apple for days, Brian.
Hey, Kevin,
Yeah.
you have to come back around here, man.
What you mean, man? You free place, man?
I have to come back around here, so. Oh yeah, say man.
Yeah, man, so.
You know me love
We are
to.
showing what I go on.
Coconut.
We are head on now.
It usually
Community.
look like tree, you know.
Still in the same community, but
Say my second
we're
mother.
part a little bit
Yeah,
remote
God.
because so.
Me if tell you, I
People,
see you
when I
climb
do,
it.
we talk about that.
Yeah, man.
We are going to talk about that when I
Easy,
do.
man.
Yeah, man. So big up to Badwood. Big up to
Kevin.
Sensi.
Ah, Jesus.
Yeah, man.
Say I tell me say uncle.
Peel
you have
see the
jackfruit
jackfruit.
up there. Different, like different.
People,
here.
I tell you about jackfruit. See it, yeah.
Come on, like they so ready,
Show them what I
man.
go on, people. See them there?
Kevin, it's a real thing, man.
Jackfruit, that's enough, people.
That one they ready.
I'm not tell you, say 3. Me see 2,
That not ready.
3,
That not ready.
5, 7.
Right, man. Me test it, man. Test it, man. Yesterday, come on, man.
Yeah, man.
If it ain't right,
Oh, God, man. If you do right, man, it'll be a beauty, man.
me test it, man.
Kevin, you see that one? Right, Jonas, sir. Yeah, yellow.
Remember, people, like up the video, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man. Brian and Sensi, I go see what I go on. What more on this, man? Yeah, see that one there, man.
I'm gonna tell you if you come round, man.
Eh?
You know, look.
What I go on, man? I mean, I come down there and show people, I'm showing what I go on, people. My people, them want to see what I go on, you know, brother. You know, see it? Yeah, man, Filipino, them.
My uncle
Big up on yourself. American,
But
Canada, England.
it not ready yet. It done ready.
Yeah.
Well,
So maybe about down in the June. So like me I say, a different era them.
Yeah.
Just like the apple, me realize.
Yeah, man, see there.
Yeah.
Yes,
Like them have them
okay.
time. Cause if you
Yes, I
say,
wanna-
no, actually apple them ready.
What a wallet there, man? How you say, man?
Yeah, in a ready.
Jackfruit.
That's smelly for you.
Yeah.
That's smelly for you.
You touch it, people, see there. The great old jackfruit, Jamaican jackfruit. You know, across the world, we don't know call it.
Oh, yeah, say, man.
But that's how we call it at Jamaica. Jackfruit.
Kevin,
Remember, people, if you like up the video, them comment, share, and subscribe, please. Yeah, man, big up to my new subscriber, them.
Where Jack forget food?
Big up to everybody with on the channel. We are support the channel.
Where Jack forget food, brother? A
Eh?
jackfruit.
Are you name?
A jackfruit.
A jackfruit.
A jackfruit.
Tell them what kind of fruit it be.
Yo, a jackfruit. Where Jack forget fruit?
Okay.
Who is Jack for Jack get fruit?
So you will-
Jackfruit.
You have a sense to say a jackfruit.
Yeah, man, a jackfruit, man.
Alright, peeps, so we are continue.
Boss,
We
Yeah.
have to stop down the road and turn
no,
back.
me know.
Yeah.
No, me know. No, me know.
So people must like up the
Wow,
video, them,
man.
comment, share and subscribe
Yeah, man.
on the channel.
Hey, brother.
So right now, people,
You said you would look like a abandoned. Eh? You said you look like